It's like 3:25 a.m. right now, and I'm waking up. I look crazy right now because we're getting ready to go to Vegas today. The bus is gonna leave really early, and I have my sleepy voice. And I'm making some black tea right now so I could get somewhat awake. And then you guys are gonna get ready with me, and we're gonna take a trip to the Greyhound, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, be quick about it.
And they have a little, you see where the little
Yeah,
gazebo is? They have food and drinks in it.
Nice, okay. Hey girlies, so I want to be super quick because I'm meeting my friend downstairs. We're about to go to the pool. Yesterday was like so freaking crazy. I was gonna vlog and everything with you guys, but I've been up since like 3:30 yesterday. Like woke up at 3 or whatever, got ready, took the Greyhound and everything. I was like, get ready with you guys, but I was so dead yesterday. We went out to eat. I have like a few videos and pictures, but like yesterday was so much. We went and got our nails done, checked in, had to eat, we had reservations. It was so insane. It made like no sense. I couldn't even vlog, show you the room or anything, and I can't show you the room now because it's a hot freaking mess. I'm about to get my friend to go to the pool. I have to lay down, and I'm thinking about to start my period again, and I just got my period, so I don't understand, and that's kind of annoying because I started my period before a trip, and who wants to be on their period when they're on vacation, you know? Like, that's so fucking annoying. Oh, that's so annoying, and I can't like really, I feel like I can't enjoy myself as much like I want to. So I just hope I'm just like spotting, or like maybe like the clothes I was wearing was too tight or something, because I can't have my period twice a month. It's too much, and my body, I can't handle it. So hopefully it's just like for a few hours that it lasts, and that's it, and I can enjoy the rest of my weekend here in Vegas. But sorry for this like random rant, but I'll talk to you guys later today when we go out, because we are going clubbing. I just don't know what club, what we're going to, and you guys will get ready with us and everything. I'll try to show you the pool, and yeah. I'm wearing Arabella hair today. I need to look at my hands or something, and I'll show you my swimsuit I'm wearing. So I have Arabella hair. I have a swimsuit from Amazon. Everything right here is Amazon. Have necklaces from Shop Desert Moon, just some gold hoops, and I even have an anklet on, but I don't want to show you that because I don't like my feet. But this is not as messy as in the other room. Ooh, not as messy. Oh, my nails are so freaking cute. I got them done at Shimmer Nails in Las Vegas. Freaking cute, and I love the shape by Yolanda. Love it. Freaking gorgeous. But I'm about to head down to the pool because I already took enough time talking to you guys. I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye. Fuck me. Morning, guys. Huh? I don't know if they can make me as a video.
You blow my mind. Through space and time, baby. You blow my or not. There's something about being in a playful mindset that can stretch your ability to perceive things.
Okay.
What our eyes can see. Perhaps the thing we call wonder is really just the glimpse of the infinite that the beauty of nature implies.
back.
You can see that this map has no end to it. Without a force to stop it, this orbital journey could theoretically go on forever.